I'm Foodie Chef Pete here today, and today I'm back grilling. So some days we grill, some days we cook, and today I'm going to grill, and we're going to start by getting our veggies on. The grill. So I'm going to start by getting some potatoes going here, and you can hear them. Because the grill is nice and hot, and we are going to just cut these into some nice pieces. I'm starting with our potato because the potato takes the longest to cook, right? Okay. And then I'm going to go right on top. And so today, part of the onion family is what we call a leek. All right? So I've cut this one in half and I've cleaned him out. You always got to make sure you go running water over the running water and you clean your leek. So today, instead of a regular onion, I'm going to use leek. Okay? All right. So let's get our potatoes on here and just cut them up. And you can use whatever vegetables you have in the refrigerator, whatever you like to do. Everybody does a little different, okay? And let's get a little olive oil here to help things out. We'll get things going, okay? All right, now let's go and get our leek on there next. And I'm going to just cut this up. I've already washed it and I've cleaned him. So today, the star of the show is going to be our leeks, and we're going to get them on there just like this, right on top of our potatoes, just like this. There we go with our leeks. And leeks are they're kind of like an onion, but they're not. They're sweet. They have a nice, delicious flavor to them. And by mixing them in, they make like a great soup, a leek soup, potato leek soup. I've made that before. I think we have it in our playlist. You'll find the potato leek soup, and potato leek soup is very delicious. You can put chicken in it if you like. All right, let's get some salt going here. So we've got our veggies started, and I think some garlic is good, a little garlic powder. And I also think today we're going to go Italian, so let's go with some Italian seasoning right on top, just like that. And then next up, I think what we're going to do is I've got some mushrooms left in the fridge, some baby bellas, and what we're going to, our baby bellas right on top. Okay, and veggies are good. We're going to have some meat today, and I said, gee, what have I got in the fridge that I've already made that we can dress up a little bit? And I said, wait a minute, we made meatloaf. We can get some beautiful hunks of meatloaf on the grill, and we can get them reanimated, which means reheated, recooked. There we go. And then I'm going to put here, I have some peppers. These are cute little baby peppers, and I'm going to... Cute, Anthony? They're just little baby peppers.
Aww. We like little things like them.
Nice little baby peppers. So we have here. And we get them cut up. Alrighty.
Those leeks are kind of changing color.
Yeah, they're starting to cook. And we get some more peppers here. There we go. We got all different kinds of colors here. Here's a yellow one. I think this is yellow color. So we got yellow, red, orange.
Well, that looks kind of, well, it's yellow or orange even.
Yeah, there we go. So we're getting these going real good here, everybody. There we go. And then I think what we're going to do is come over here and get a little squash. Maybe half of the squash I think we'll put in today. All right. That means our grill is up to temperature, okay? And we're just going to cut this squash just like this into some nice...
So the reason the grill keeps going on and off is because it stays at a certain temperature.
That's correct, Anthony. Absolutely. It stays at a certain temperature. And it's also telling me that it's at the temperature that I asked, which is to cook our veggies and to cook our meat. And now what we're going to do is I've got the meatloaf here, okay? And what I'm going to do is take a couple of nice slices here of meatloaf. And what I'm going to do is just take these meatloaf. It's right there. A couple of pieces of meatloaf. And we're going to reheat this meatloaf up. And we are going to get it beautifully warm and put some gravy with it. And I'm going to rinse my fingers off while Anthony's showing you that. We don't really need to season this, but we're going to do it so that it heats up. And I am going to put some lids on this so that we can make sure that we have everything going, all right? So we've got our veggies going, we've got our meat on that side. What I'm gonna do here with these veggies before I mix them is I am going to give it a little more oil, just like this. And then I'm gonna cover them. I have some grill covers.
Well, you have some nice new spatulas, it looks like.
Yes, these are for the grill so that I can turn these and move everything around after it gets going. So what we're going to do is get this on here, pull them this way, that way. We'll just come this way. Now what we're going to do here is these are going to steam at temperature. We'll leave this on and come back and check it. We've got our meatloaf reheating, getting ready to go, and we're going to make a gravy for that. And we'll see you in a little while. This is Pete making another leftover meal with fresh veggies. We're using meatloaf today. See how easy it is? This is Peter Carpitos. We'll see you in a bit. Out.
Roger that.